to make the oat flour, I use these types of oats. So I used quick oats today. And then I popped them inside of my blender for under grind. And I did it for about almost a minute, like 40-50 seconds. And this is what I got. I got oat flour. I tried to record it while I was blending, but the oats were just popping up and I couldn't get a good visual. But this here's what the oat flour will look like. And this here will be the end result. This is the 3/4 cup of oat flour, but it also specified that you can use oat flour, whole wheat flour, or gluten-free flour. So along with your flour of choice, you're also going to be using 1 cup of, it specifies peanut butter. I'm sure you can use any nut butter you'd like, but I'm going to be using peanut butter today, the creamy kind. And then 1/4 cup of your sweetener. I'm going to be using agave syrup, but it specifies you can use agave syrup, maple syrup, or brown sugar. And then the best part, right over here, it says that you can add up to 1/4 of a cup of either chocolate chips, dried fruit, or crushed peanuts. I have these sunflower seeds instead. I have craisins and chocolate chips. Which one do you want to use, babe? You want to use like a little bit of all of them?
I want to try this because that.
You want chocolate chips?
Uh-huh.
Of course.
I want to try it.
I think it'd be cool to get a little bit of everything as well to make kind of like a trail mix quarantine cookie. But she wants the chocolate, of course, so we'll be doing chocolate. So I ended up not having enough of the Jif peanut butter, so I used my other one as well, so to make a full 1 cup. So I'm using the nutty butter. So I'm going to be using crunchy peanut butter for this recipe. Make sure to make a cup. try?
Okay. My baby likes chocolate. Mmm. Mmm. Oh,
What do you think?
cook.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Would you eat them?
Uh-huh.
And I saw you're eating the cookie dough. Would you eat the cookie dough again?
No.
No, but you like the cookie like that?
Yeah.
I tasted the raw cookie dough and I liked it a lot. More so than the one I did a review on a few months ago. These cookies turned out really pretty, but I saw that they didn't flatten out. So the way that you
My baby
present them on
wants
the
my
pan
cookie.
is the way that they will look. Oh, she's gonna feed one of her babies. So, is it Picky Toddler approved?
Yeah.
Yeah, how about Baby Alive approved?
My babies love that.
My baby liked them, and so do I. They're very delicious.
And
Actually,
my daughters.
oh, and her little daughters. I like these cookies a lot, and the cookie dough was really good too. It was even tastier than the other ones I made using chickpeas. I'll put the link on the description below. I made one using Plant U's raw cookie dough recipe. I've actually been using that a lot to make my cookies and to eat vegan raw cookie dough. To make this a vegan recipe, simply use the seeds or nuts or dried fruit, or of course vegan chocolate chips. When I bit into it, it was so ooey gooey chewy, very peanut buttery. I highly suggest use the crunchy peanut butter for a little extra texture. The fact that it's oat flour doesn't make my daughter like them any less at all. She loved them. So this is a pretty healthy alternative considering
Give me them. Give me them. They're mine.
Okay, she liked them.
Okay.
I really did like these
There's
cookies.
something on
So
your toe.
these quarantine cookies are Picky Toddler approved and
Baby Alive approved.
Baby Alive approved and Mommy approved. I like these cookies a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video.
I like cookie. Hey, that's mine.
I hope you enjoyed this
You
video as much as
silly.
we enjoyed making it for you. Please give a like,
Thank you.
comment, subscribe, and
Comment,
share.
subscribe, and then share with because my daughter's not.
Take another bite for everybody, Mommy.
Oh.